So hello everyone. So today we will talk about selling. So this is my answer in assignment in chapter 8 selling. Number 1, what is selling and what is the importance of selling? Selling. It is the process of offering a product to a customer in exchange for money. Selling is very essential to individuals because it helps them to earn money or profit to support their daily needs. It allows people to provide the basic necessities for their families. Through selling, many individuals can improve their quality of living. It creates opportunities for people to start small businesses to grow or increase their income. Without selling, many people would have fewer ways to earn money, and businesses would not be able to operate properly. Number 2. How do you formulate your selling price? What are the necessary things that needs to be considered in setting up the selling price? To formulate the selling price, the first thing we need to do is to determine the total cost of the product and then add the markup. The things that we need to be considered in setting up the selling price is first is cost of the product. Includes purchase costs, transportation, and other expenses. Next is desired profit or markup, the amount of the business wants to earn. Next is market demand, how much customers are willing to pay for the product. Next is competitors' prices, the prices of similar products sold by the other businesses. Lastly is business expenses, such as rent, salaries, and utilities that must also be covered. Number 3, what is markup and what is marked down? And when to mark down? Markup. It is the amount or percentage added to the cost of a product to determine the selling price. Businesses use markup to make sure they can earn profit after selling the product. Next is what is markdown? Markdown. It is the reduction or decrease in the original selling price of a product. It is the difference between the original price and the reduced selling price. When to mark down? When the demand for a product is low, when the product does not sell well at its original price, when items are outdated, and when the stores wants to clear inventory to make room for new products. Number 4. Give sample problems with formula and solutions of markup based on cost and selling price, and markdown with profit, operating loss, and absolute loss. First is markup cost. The bag costs 400 pesos and sells for a 20% markup based on cost. So the cost will be 400 pesos and the markup will be 80 pesos, in which 20% of 400 pesos. So 0.20 times 400 is equals 80 pesos. We just add 400 plus 80 is equals 480, in which it is the selling price. Next is markup selling price. A shirt costs 500 pesos. The store wants a 25% markup based on selling price. So here's the solution. Next is markdown profit. A laptop costs 18,000 pesos. The original price is 20,000 pesos. The store gives a 10% markdown. So here's the solution. Next is markdown operating loss. A TV costs 15,000 pesos. Original price is 18,000 pesos. The store marks it down 20%. So here's the solution. Lastly is markdown absolute loss. A smartphone costs 12,000 pesos. Store sells it at 10,000 pesos after discount. Absolute loss is equals 12,000 minus 10,000 is equals 2,000 pesos. So the absolute loss will be 2,000 pesos. That's all for today. Thank you.